Mm. Yeah. Mm.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a calorie dense protein shake to help with those booty gains. So first ingredient, you need some sort of milk. I use oat milk. This is homemade. I just put it in this container. You can use whatever milk you prefer. Next, I throw in some frozen bananas. You can always get regular bananas, but I prefer just having them frozen because I don't like super ripe bananas, and also I don't have to add ice as well. As far as supplements go, these are the supplements that I like adding into my protein shakes. You can kind of play with the different choices. I absolutely love this Naked Nutrition Naked Mass in vanilla. I can't have whey, and this has been such a lifesaver. It doesn't have all these icky ingredients added into it. And even though it is high calorie, it blends so nicely. Personally, I also like to add another protein scoop in there. I'm very much a vanilla person just so that flavors kind of blend together well. And sometimes I do add a scoop of collagen in there as well. So to avoid completely running out of space in this blender, I did blend this up before the next ingredient. And I don't know why, but I found that 10 seconds is like the perfect amount of time to blend it. So onto the last ingredient. I love to add Greek yogurt into my shakes, and this one is vanilla. And then it is time to blend for the final time. High calorie protein shakes are one of the huge suggestions I make to anyone that struggles eating, but they are trying to gain weight. They have been a huge lifesaver in my fitness journey. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it so much if you give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. And if you want to see more lifestyle and fitness content, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video.